So you want to start a career in property and casualty insurance, but you don't have a background in insurance. Don't worry, you're not alone. And the good news is that this industry welcomes people from all types of professional and educational experiences. Today we're going to talk about how to launch your career in P&C insurance, even if you've never worked in it before. First off, let's talk about skills. The P&C industry is made up of many different functions, from underwriting and claims to product development, technology, risk management, sales, customer service, compliance, and more. That means there's a wide variety of transferable skills that can help you break in. For example, if you've worked in retail or hospitality, you've likely developed strong customer service and communication skills. Those are incredibly valuable in roles like claims handling or policy servicing. If you have a background in finance, accounting, or data analysis, you could be a great fit for underwriting, actuarial work, or financial reporting roles. If you've worked in IT, cybersecurity, or tech support, there are growing needs in insurance technology, digital transformation, and infrastructure management. Even project managers, educators, healthcare workers, logistics professionals, or people from marketing and sales backgrounds can find pathways into insurance. It all comes down to how you position your skills and show that you understand the role and the business you're trying to join. Now let's talk about your resume. This is where many people go wrong. The key is tailoring your resume and cover letter to highlight how your background connects to the role you're applying for. Use industry terms where appropriate, even if you learned them from researching or taking a course. For example, if you're applying for a claims role, talk about problem solving, empathy, documentation, and communication, because those are core skills insurers want in claims professionals. It also helps to show initiative. Consider taking an online course on insurance basics, risk management, or data analytics. Many free and affordable platforms offer beginner-level content to help you speak the language. You might even consider starting a certification like the AINS, Associate in General Insurance. It shows employers you're serious and committed. Now, what about challenges and common pitfalls? One of the biggest is not understanding what the insurance company actually does. A lot of candidates apply without learning the basics of P&C insurance or the specific line of business the company operates in. Take the time to understand how insurance works, what kinds of risks the company insures, and where your role fits into the value chain. Another challenge is assuming insurance is boring or only about selling policies. The truth is, insurance is critical to how businesses function and people live their lives. It's about risk, data, resilience, and innovation. There's space for nearly every type of professional background. You just need to find your lane and show how you can contribute. To jumpstart your career, you might also consider entry-level roles that don't require prior industry experience. Positions like claims assistant, underwriting support, customer service rep, or operations coordinator can be great launching pads. From there, you can grow into more specialized roles with on-the-job training, mentorship, and continuing education. Networking is also key. Follow insurance companies on LinkedIn, attend virtual industry events, and join professional groups where you can learn from others already working in the field. If you're a student or recent graduate, many insurers offer internships and rotational programs. Don't be afraid to apply even if your major isn't in business or risk management. The bottom line is that the P&C insurance industry needs fresh talent, and they know great people can come from outside the traditional mold. If you're analytical, curious, adaptable, and ready to learn, there's a place for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more content about careers, trends, and education in the insurance industry. Let us know in the comments if you're trying to break in and what challenges or questions you have. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and until next time, Insurance Gurus.